Bishop Ray, I have already received my Christmas gift this year. Pope Francis appointed you as the auxiliary bishop here in the Diocese of Sacramento. I look forward to working with you in this coming year.
Bishop Jaime, my Episcopal ordination was a wonderful surprise. And I look forward to working with you in serving our diocese together with our brother priests and deacons in this coming new year.
In this Jubilee year, Pilgrims of Hope, we can be pilgrims of hope, following the inspiration that Pope Francis has given us.
And I hope that all of us will find and discover many ways to become pilgrims of hope in this coming new year in Northern California.
Be assured of our prayers for all of you and your families as we open our hearts and homes to the Holy Family, Jesus, Mary, and Joseph.
Mahirap mang maunawaan, pinunumbalik ng Diyos ang kabanalan sa mundo sa pamamagitan ng kaamuan at kababang loob ng isang sanggol na kanyang isinugo ang handog na bukas loob at tunay.
En este nuevo año jubilar inaugurado por el Santo Padre Papa Francisco en la Nochebuena, que todos recibamos los santos peregrinos, Jesús, María y José, en nuestros corazones. Comprometámonos caminar con la Sagrada Familia como mensajeros de esperanza y caridad en el mundo de hoy. Feliz Navidad.
Ipagdiwang natin mga kapatid ang Pasko at alahanin ang walang humpay na pagmamahal at biyaya ng Diyos sa sangkatuhan. Samahan natin ang panalangin ng mga pastol, tatlong hari at ang mga anghel na nagpupugay at nagbibigay luwalhati sa puong may kapal. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
A blessed and Merry Christmas to all.